This is the MAK 2-Star General Pellet Grill, and I'm Max Good. I test and review grills and smokers full-time for AmazingRibs.com. Today we're on Meathead's deck, where he's been putting his MAK 2-Star General through the paces for many months, smoking up just about everything you can imagine. This virtual showroom video is part 1. For part 2, click on our full detailed review right below this screen. Welcome to our virtual showroom. The MAK 2-Star General Pellet Smoker has the distinction of being Meatheads' favorite pellet smoker. And we can see evidence of that. He obviously uses it quite a bit. Here's one of the many nice touches MAK builds into their smokers. The fire pot can be easily removed to dump accumulated ash. Most pellet smokers have a grease bucket hanging from the side where greasy drippings are channeled. But MAK has this slide-out drawer, and not only does it collect grease, but inside by the fire pot, there's a little door where you can shovel out ash that collects at the bottom. Pellet smokers typically have a metal plate over the fire pot where the wood burns. It's a heat diffuser. MAK has this large funnel-shaped heat diffusion system and a plate right over the fire pot that can be removed. The interesting features keep coming. Here's the drip plate, which radiates heat and channels drippings into that grease catcher at the side. But look at this. You can remove these plates to expose foods to direct heat. 2 stainless steel rod cooking grates, an optional secondary cook surface pretty much doubles your capacity, and they have this nice roll top hood that compacts the footprint of 2-Star. A storage area in the cart underneath. This door is optional too. You got a 20-pound pellet hopper on the left side. It also has a pellet clean-out door. Pop this open to change pellet types or dump the hopper out if you don't expect to use it for a while, so you don't end up with pelletcrete. Here's MAK's Pellet Boss controller, which is proprietary. You won't find this on any other pellet smoker. It has 3 internal meat probe inputs. Easy to operate, you just turn it on and it starts at 200 degrees. Change that using the up and down buttons. This controller is loaded with customizable features. You can set alarms by time or by desired meat temperature, and even create cooking programs for your favorite recipes. An optional Remote Boss wireless controller lets you control virtually every function up to 300 feet away. Flip open the right side shelf and you have a warming area to hold foods. See those vents that come in from the smoker box? You can also use this as a cold smoker for smoked cheese and nuts. Ooh, it's a MAK attack. We thoroughly tested this model. If you're watching on YouTube, scroll down right under the little piggy with the red hat and click on our full detailed review. For more about this and hundreds of other grills and smokers, visit AmazingRibs.com, where you'll also get tested recipes, tips and techniques, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking. AmazingRibs.com, the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the world.